continue with business news. East Africa investment management firm ICEA Lion Asset Management has presented its fourth quarter 2022 investor pulse that highlights key trends in investments. Speaking during a media briefing in Nairobi, Senior Portfolio Manager Richard Murithi said inflation rates are likely to remain elevated in sub-Saharan Africa as geopolitical uncertainty, especially the war in Ukraine, will continue to affect businesses. However, he highlighted that investors still have an opportunity to invest and generate strong returns.
If you look at the US dollar so far this year, it has strengthened, obviously wreaking havoc across the world. Now it's strengthening because the US Fed, the chairman being Jerome Powell, is trying to unwind a lot of what they did in response to the COVID pandemic, which just means they increased the monetary base, pumped in a lot of money into these economies. A lot of that money found its way into equity markets. We know how equity markets performed 2020 and 2021. If you look at the DXY, which is a dollar index against most major currencies, up 18%. If you look at recently, I think less than 2 months ago, the euro hit parity with the dollar, which just means that the euro and the dollar are exchanging for, one for one.
For us to even get more value in the current levels of prices that we have, there'll be trading opportunities here and there. The market has quite swayed a bit here and there, even if you look at on a year-to-date basis. So I would focus more on crystallizing more of those opportunities, really, and not waiting more for a share buyback on some of those companies that are listed.